How to make a payment via CIBC. Step 1. Access the Niagara College Toronto Payment Guidelines page through the following link, niagaracollegetoronto.ca/admissions/payments, and click on Make Your Payment Online. You will be redirected to CIBC's payment portal. Step 2. Complete all the required fields indicated by an asterisk under Make a Payment. Then click Next to move to the next section. Step 3. Select your preferred method of payment under Payment Options. The options vary depending on your country of origin, but usually include options such as bank wire, credit card, and debit card. Then click Next to move to the next section. Step 4. Complete all the required fields under Student Details. Depending on the country from which the payment is being processed, you may be asked to spell your name in your native language before clicking Next. Step 5. Complete all the required fields under Payer Details if someone other than you, the student, is making a payment. If you, the student, are the one making the payment, please select Use Student Info. After completing this step, click Next to move to the next section. Note that it is important that the payer information reflects the name on the bank account or credit card from which the payment is being made. Step 6. Confirm that all the information under Payment Details is correct. Step 7. Check the box next to I agree to the terms and conditions, and then click Submit. Step 8. A pop-up page will appear stating that the payment has not yet been sent. Click Agree. A message stating that your transaction is successfully submitted will now appear, along with a payment reference ID. You will receive the same confirmation via email. Step 9. Click on Download Instruction Sheet, located in the center of the confirmation email. This sheet includes NCT payment details that you'll need to complete your transaction with your bank.